Welcome to our product review channel. Before we dive into the details of the WR51X10031 refrigerator defrost heater by Part Supply House, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This replacement defrost heater is designed to fit a variety of refrigerator models and replaces part numbers 773802, H303762, EA 303762, and PS 303762, making it a versatile choice for many users. The WR51X10031 is a brand new replacement part that helps maintain your refrigerator's efficiency by preventing frost buildup on the evaporator coils. This ensures your fridge runs smoothly and keeps your food fresh. Installation is straightforward for those with basic appliance repair knowledge, which can save you money on professional repair services. One of the key advantages of this defrost heater is its compatibility with multiple part numbers, giving it a wide application range. It's also made from durable materials, which contributes to its longevity and reliable performance. On the downside, some users might find the installation process a bit challenging if they are not familiar with appliance repairs, and depending on the refrigerator model, additional tools or parts may be required. Overall, the WR51X10031 refrigerator defrost heater is a cost-effective and dependable solution for restoring your fridge's defrost function. Don't forget, the link to grab this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to keep your refrigerator running efficiently without breaking the bank.